Okay, let's replace these lift assist cylinders. So all you have to have is a small flat tip screwdriver. You should never have to pay somebody to do this. It's super simple. So you just pry back on that clip. Make sure you got your lid supported. You repeat the process at the bottom. Comes out just like that. And then the replacements they just snap right back in. You don't even have to pull out on the clip whenever you put them back. They just snap in. There you go. You got a brand new one. I've had to replace a few of these over the years. So you find these on like toolbox lifts, the back hatch of if you have a vehicle that has like a lift door hatch. Some of these are under your car hood. If you've got a camper shell on your truck, the boxes in a boat. So these are found in a lot of different places, and they've got a number on them. And that number right there is usually what I'll just search for. And a lot of automotive places you can buy those from. So that's how I search for them, but I always make sure that I measure them from the center of your connection to the center of your connection. That distance right there, get a measurement. So let's say that's 15 1/4 when you go to order. So that's just a random number, but when you go to order, let's say it's 16 1/4, 15 1/4, whatever it is, just make sure what you're ordering is the same as what your cylinder is extended. So then I go by the number, and then I double check the length, and that's usually how I order them. And you can get them just about anywhere. This box that I just replaced these out of is almost 20 years old, so they've actually held up pretty good, but they definitely got weak. They would have a hard time holding the lid up, and if there was any type of breeze or wind, it would push it down. Now that you have to, see, it never would do that, or hadn't done that in a long time, I should say. And now it pretty well picks it up on its own. There you go.